to aspect the information system and networking at the ICT University. So I'll be talking about the ways in which you can use IoT to reduce traffic congestion and road accidents. I'm introducing you to the vehicle to everything that's the v2x system. So I'll cut the outline of this project. We'll begin with the problem statement, the proposed solution. I'll be telling you what v2x is, what kind of system we can build, the proposed system, and then the conclusion. So the problem statement. We all know traffic congestion is one of the most problems faced by Cameroonians. Sometimes people waste up to 2 hours in traffic, and road accidents have a very severe effect on human. In Cameroon, it causes about 1,000 deaths to 10,000 deaths every year, and 10,000 to 15,000 injuries, and a lot of money is spent and lost to this problem. So I can bet you that the most dangerous time when traveling with a plane is the time you are on the road to the airport. How can we solve this problem? This problem can be solved by giving the driver information about what is going on the road. Information like the road condition, nearby accident, the approaching of emergency vehicles and roadwork notices, and other drivers' activities as well on the road. So what is V2X? V2X stands for Vehicle to Everything Communication. It is a passing of information from a vehicle to any entity that may affect the vehicle and vice versa. In a V2X system, the data is exchanged through vehicle sensors using high bandwidth and a high reliability need. So this is a system overview of a V2X system. You can see the application saver and it uses the long-term regulations to send information between the cars and the infrastructure. So the onboard unit is one of the main components we need when connecting the cars to the infrastructure. It is a communication device mounted on vehicles and it allows TSRC communication with other OBUs or RSUs. We also need the roadside unit. The roadside unit engages the OBUs of traveling vehicles via the GRT technology in order to acquire the necessary traffic information, for instance, time, speed, and the location of the vehicle. CRC, dedicated transfer communication, is a wireless communication technology which is highly secure and has a high speed direct communication between vehicles and the surrounding infrastructure without involving the cellular infrastructure. We also use the cellular V2X to connect these cars to the infrastructure. Cellular V2X is a 3GPP standard describing a technology to achieve a V2X requirement. C V2X is an alternative to the 802 IPP and other specific standard forms of V2V and other forms of communication. Here's the structure of the cellular V2X. You can see the cars are connected to the network, that's the base system, and they send that information to the base system. You also need a message screen telemetry transport system, and it's an open OSIS and ISO standard. Lightweight publish subscribe network protocol that transfer messaging between devices. Is an applied architecture of what we are talking about. You can see the on-board unit, vehicle 1 and vehicle 2 connected to the application server and the admin panel. We also need a database to record and store information gotten from the sensors in the system and provide drivers with the necessary information. The admin panel will be responsible for monitoring, getting all the information about the system and history guide of the system. And to conclude, V2X is the future of the automotive industry which achieves a great performance, facility for drivers and pedestrians, beside, is a great economical impact on the automotive